Today, we're going to make a recipe I call Thai red curry and coconut milk seafood. It's awesome. For this recipe, we need 4 colossal peeled and deveined shrimp. We also need 2 lobster tails. To remove the lobster meat from the shell, cut it in half lengthwise and pull the meat from the shell. Start with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a very hot wok and add Spanish onion sliced thin, red bell pepper sliced thin, a few slices of jalapeno pepper with the seeds, a teaspoon of chopped garlic, give it a stir, and add the seafood, the shrimp, the lobster, and some jumbo sea scallops. We season it with soy sauce and fish sauce. Then we dissolve 1 tablespoon of Thai curry in a little water. You don't want to eat a chunk of this stuff. Add asparagus tips, sliced bamboo shoots, and a can of coconut milk. Allow to simmer for about 5 minutes until the seafood is cooked. Season with a teaspoon of black pepper to equalize the heat. Add lots of fresh basil leaves right at the end so the flavor stays explosive. This stuff looks fantastic. I serve it with jasmine rice. It's lobster, giant shrimp, jumbo sea scallops. I call it red curry and coconut milk seafood. It's fantastic. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru.